Kia ora, I'm Emma Dent and welcome back to the latest episode of the Video Weekly Diary series. We'll start things off with our notable events of the week. Mainfreight rose 11.9% last week after releasing its full year financial results. Mainfreight announced that it was keeping its final dividend unchanged and reported a small increase in annual underlying earnings despite COVID-19 pressures. Sanford reported their interim results last week and stated that icy conditions off the coast of Antarctica had caused an 8% drop in wild sales catch volumes, contributing to a $5 million hit to half-year earnings. The board lowered its dividend to 5 cents per share, down from 9 cents per share earlier. Sanford closed the week at $6.85, down 0.7% for the week. SmartPay Holdings Limited announced that it was undertaking a capital raise via a share purchase plan for up to 2 million Australian dollars. The shares are being offered at 42 Australian cents per share. Honey producer Comvita announced a $50 million New Zealand dollar capital raise. This will include a $20 million placement to institutional investors, together with approximately $30 million via a 4.15 pro rata accelerated non-renounceable entitlement offer. Comvita is benefiting from a surge in demand for natural health products. On Friday, there was the MSCI rebalance, which saw a value of $901 million traded and 80% of that value traded on market. Changes of note were Fletcher Buildings moving out of the MSCI Global Standard Indices and into the small cap indices, and Napier Port and Oceania Healthcare moving out of the micro cap indices and into the small cap indices. Next up, our weekly recap. The total value traded for the week was $1.6 billion, with 74% of that value traded on market and a trade count of 270,000. The S&P NZX 50 rose 2%, closing the week at 10,882. In global markets, the S&P 500 rose 3% and the ASX 200 rose 4.7%. Further information on the weekly recap, including the value and volume of the NZX top 10 securities, can be found in the weekly diary. And finally, our week ahead. We will have a shortened trading week this week after Queen's birthday weekend. There are no confirmed results being released this week. However, we expect that we will see results trickle in throughout the month as issuers take advantage of the extended timeframes. Thank you for watching the weekly diary video. Don't forget to check out the weekly diary in the links below for more information. Have a great week.